In this video, we will be showing a step-by-step video tutorial on how to reposition or realign the Start button in Windows 11. Let's see how we can change it. To change the position and alignment of the Start button, right-click on the taskbar on your desktop. Now select Taskbar Settings from the context menu. When the window opens, select and click on Taskbar Behaviors. A submenu will appear next to it. From there, select and click on the drop-down menu next to the taskbar alignment option. You will find two options there. One is centered, which is the default one, and the second option is left. Select left from the menu. As soon as you select left, the whole tray of icons and the Start button slide to the left of the screen and remain firm over there. And that's pretty much it. This video serves as your ultimate guide to realigning and changing the position of the Start button on Windows 11. Now, subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially crafted videos just for you.